Welcome to the updates on the Z4 project. Now, to get this video started, the end goal is to start tearing down the motor a little bit, but right now, the front bumper came in, or the front lower bumper, and I'm going to get that hooked up, so. So, a quick little update, and 20 minutes later. It looked pretty easy, but of course, it's German, so it's not. We had to take the whole front end off, and this car was in a very small front end collision, but all of the backing by the front fender, by this front bumper here, is all cracked up, and some of it's pretty rusty, so this is taking quite a bit longer than we thought it would take. So, a fun little remnant from this car's previous accident. That is from a different car. That looks like it came from, some insurance company put it on. And it does have its fair share of marks. Now, this is not terrible. The only thing that's interesting is this car has wiring for fog lamps, and this bumper does not. Now, swinging over to the front of the car, overall, it doesn't look terrible, but yeah, this is basically being held together by zip ties. In the case of this side, it's literally being held together by zip ties. Being the way it is, it's already like zip tied together, and it's been holding pretty well considering looking at the dates on the rest of the stuff, it's been holding for at least 2 years. So it seems to be doing its job pretty well. We just reinforced that, and since all that stuff is drying, the glue and the tape and all the reinforcement we put onto it, the new grill is in. Excuse us, some idiot's shooting off fireworks. And the bottom grill is on now. Now that all of that is now finished, any glue or tape is done, and this looked very crusty, so hit it with some rust reformer, and then probably gonna hit it with some black paint, and yeah, hopefully that does it. The plans was to remove the valve cover and all that stuff, but there was no anticipation that the whole front end would have to come off. Speaking of which, the front end actually looks pretty good. So, that's good. I think I'm going to end the episode here because that's enough for tonight.